In this video, we will demonstrate how to dispense a partial amount of liquid from a glass serologic pipette. For this example, we want to deliver 7 ml of red-colored water. So we will be using the 10 ml pipette. Pipettes can be plastic or glass. In this video, we will be using glass. Make sure the pipette is clean and not damaged in any way. We are going to fill our pipette by taking the safety bulb and squeezing it to expel the air. Holding the pipette vertically with the tip of the pipette immersed in the water, we will then place the bulb on the top of our pipette. Make sure to keep the safety bulb in the squeezed position. Gently release your grip on the safety bulb and allow the water to be aspirated up to the pipette until the water is approximately 1 to 2 inches above the calibration mark or the 0 mark. Do not aspirate any water into the safety bulb, but if you do, stop and get a replacement bulb. Now remove the pipette bulb from the top of the pipette and quickly but firmly place an index finger over the top of the pipette to stop the water from flowing out of the pipette. If needed, you may use the bottom of the container for help. Remove the tip of the pipette from the water, but keep the tip hovering over the container and bring the meniscus to eye level. You may need to pick up the container so the pipette tip is not too far away from the container to keep any water from splashing. Use a Kleenex to wipe the excess liquid from the outside of the pipette. Release some pressure with your index finger so that water slowly begins to drain from the pipette until the bottom curve of the meniscus reaches the 0 or calibration line. Move your pipette so it is now hovering above the test tube. Keep the tip of your pipette hovering over the test tube, making sure not to let the tip of the pipette come into contact with the test tube, and bring the meniscus to eye level. Gently and slowly release the pressure from your index finger, allowing the water to flow freely into the test tube until the bottom of the curve of the meniscus reaches the intended line. In this example, our intended line is the 7 ml line. Remember to keep the meniscus at eye level to ensure accurate measurement. Once the meniscus has reached the 7 ml line, use your index finger to apply strong pressure to stop the flow of liquid. Once you have dispensed the desired amount, place the remaining water in the pipette into the original container. Now we will dispose of the pipette. If it is a single-use pipette, we will dispose of it in the sharps container. Some laboratories supply reusable glass serologic pipettes. In this instance, the laboratory would have a pipette washing, disinfecting station, so you would place your pipette in the container with the rest of the pipettes that need to be cleaned.